input Gmail and password, login Gmail এবং find change option like Gmail. Okay, manage security, and I find here security. I will change password here. Click password, continue as site, must be click here, but here take little time. Okay, here to click change my password, click here and wait, here need little time. Okay, it is here some time. Write username and password, continue, done, and here paste new password. I write here password. First time write here, if I can copy easy, so I write here password Rashid 1234 @ hash. This is a make password